Okay, so task 3 now says that task 3 is on programming, and it says below is the algorithm to calculate the difference of two integers. You are expected to convert the algorithm into a code in either Pascal or C programming language. Part of the code is given in the table below. Okay. After a successful compilation, use the lines in the table below to copy the missing instructions. Cancel the corresponding section of the code not used. Okay, so we are to convert this into C. So to do that, we'll open our C program and we'll start typing from scratch. So of course we have what is already there, the header file, the standard input output library. We have the main, and inside we are to declare the variables. Look at, they've given us a sample already. They said int a, b, and div. So let's just use it. Int a, b, and div. So they are all integers. Next, now we take now the algorithm they have given us. They said type an integer and name it as a. So it's name it as a. Okay, so what they're saying is we are supposed to input the first integer and we are supposed to store it. So type an integer. So we are supposed to store that integer and not name it as a. It is not naming. We are storing it in a. So we store integers using percentage %d, and then we give the address. The address is found in a. So that's where we store our variable. So we are supposed to do the same thing for the second. So I'll copy this code and paste and then modify it. Well, what's the text? Let's see the message. It says type another integer. So I'll just type another integer and then here I'll put b. Set it has to be stored in b. Then now after that, this thing calculate div equals to a minus b. It's simple. So we say div equals to a minus b semicolon at the end. Very well. So move and then we print the difference. To print the difference we use printf. So we put now we'll say the difference is percentage %d, which will represent that difference. So we need to put the value found in different. Percentage %d will give us the value found in our variable div. Okay, and then we'll return 0. Simple as that. So we are just to test. We are supposed to just test it. Okay. We are supposed to test. If it works, there's no error, we save it in our folder. So I'll call it task 3. Remember, it's just a test and it's a C program. So let's see. Let's see our program. Enter 5 and 4 for instance. It gives us the difference is 1. So it's okay. Save your program, your code using the name rect tax. That's what rect rect tax. So that's what I was supposed to save. That's the name I'm supposed to give to this program. So I'll save it. I'll call it rect tax. So that's the exact name. Rect with T. So that's it. I'll save it. And this is the rest of the code which we're supposed to transfer or copy it. I've copied using Control C or simply copy, and then I was supposed to put it here, paste it here. So that's how it's supposed to look like. Now, Sebon, with this now we have answered all the questions. So see you in our next video where we'll be answering a new year. Okay. Thank you very much for your time and God bless you. Ciao.